A lot of my students have been asking me what they can do to speak English faster. So in this video, I'm going to teach you one trick that will improve your speed, your fluency, and your pronunciation.
Robert teaches English.
The trick you're going to use is called the imitation or mimic method. To mimic or imitate someone means to try to behave exactly like them. You are going to mimic someone on YouTube. First, I'm going to show you how to slow down a video on YouTube so you can mimic someone starting slow and getting gradually faster. Then you are going to practice with a loop that I made. First, you are going to listen to the clip a couple times at normal speed, so you know what you will be repeating and how the native speaker sounds.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage, a certain kind of ambition, determination. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage, a certain kind of ambition, determination.
It will help if you turn on the closed captioning here. After that, click the gear that says Settings, choose Playback Speed, and you can slow the speed down. I'm choosing 50%, but you can go slower if you want. Then listen to how it sounds at the new speed so you can practice.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage.
Listen as I imitate him. I try to sound just the way he sounds with the same tone and intonation.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage.
Once you feel comfortable, go back to the settings and speed the sound up a little bit. Then, simply practice the same way you did at the first speed.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage.
Repeat this until you are back to normal speed and you are able to speak just like the native speaker at the regular speed.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage.
Once you're comfortable with this part of the clip, slow it down again and move on to the next part of the clip.
A certain kind of ambition, determination. A certain kind of ambition, determination.
From here, simply do the same thing that you did with the last clip. Speed it up as you get comfortable.
A certain kind of ambition, determination. A certain kind of ambition, determination.
See if you can do both clips in one take.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. A certain kind of ambition, determination.
Eventually, you will be able to say both parts of the clip at regular speed, just like the native speaker.
I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. A certain kind of ambition, determination. I think your socks have a certain kind of courage. A certain kind of ambition, determination.
You can do this with as long a clip as you want. I could obviously keep going, but I'm going to stop here. This simple trick is going to help you speak faster. It is also going to help with your pronunciation since you are imitating a native speaker. Now it is time for you to practice. So I want you to do exactly what I did with the following clip. Go ahead. How do I look?
Oh, you look ready to exercise.
Practice this phrase first. All right, honey, how do I look now?
You look very interesting. Lots of patterns.
See if you can repeat everything up to this point. I'll come out with 2 more outfits after this, so you can practice with each one of those as well. Alright, honey, how do I look now?
You look like you're ready for a fancy date.
Alright, and how do I look?
Oh, you look like a rock star.
Now that you know how to do this trick, I expect you to use it. Use it right now if you have time. Watch another one of my videos. As always, thank you so much for learning with me. I think you're doing a great job, and I do believe in you. I'll see you soon.
Hey there! I can tell you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe.